How to save $10,000 in a year, even if you're broke. What if I told you that you could save $10,000 in just 1 year, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck? Sounds impossible? It's not. In fact, thousands of people are doing it, and today, I'll break it down into simple, practical steps you can start today. Whether you're a student, a single parent, or working a 9 to 5, this is for you. Stick around to the end because I'll even show you a 4-week savings challenge that can kickstart your journey fast. Plus, I'll share one powerful strategy people use to save thousands without changing their lifestyle. Don't miss it. Trust me, this could be the video that changes your entire financial future. Before we get tactical, let's talk mindset. Saving $10,000 in a year isn't just about cutting lattes. It's about intention, discipline, and clarity. If you break it down, $10,000 a year is about $833 a month, or $27.40 a day. When you look at it that way, it's actually doable, right? Start with your why. Do you want to pay off debt? Travel? Build an emergency fund? Knowing your reason makes sacrifice easier. The truth is, most people fail to save because they never set a specific, meaningful goal. They just say, I should save more. But goals with purpose drive change. Write your goal on a sticky note. Put it on your mirror. Make it your phone wallpaper. Keep it front and center. Also, practice visualizing the end result. Think about how it would feel to open your banking app and see $10,000 sitting there. What kind of freedom does that bring you? That vision fuels motivation. You can't save what you don't track. Download a free budgeting app like YNAB, Mint, or EveryDollar. List your income and expenses. You'll be shocked at how much you're losing on invisible spending, like subscriptions, snacks, and impulse buys. Cutting just $5 a day adds up to $1,825 a year. Print out your last 3 months of statements and highlight every unnecessary purchase. Now ask, which of these can I eliminate without sacrificing happiness? Also, categorize your expenses: essential, non-essential, and luxury. This helps you identify spending patterns. You might find you're spending more on coffee shops than groceries. Awareness is the first step to control. Consider switching to a cash envelope system for tricky spending areas. When the cash is gone, it's gone. It's an old-school trick that really works. Cutting doesn't mean suffering. Try the Big 3 approach. Housing: can you get a roommate or renegotiate rent? Transportation: can you use public transport or carpool? Food: can you meal prep instead of eating out? Cutting $250 from each category, that's $750 per month saved already. Also, think about things like canceling unused subscriptions, switching to a cheaper phone plan, or ditching brand name products. Every dollar cut is a step closer to your $10,000 goal. And here's the kicker. Once you get used to a simpler lifestyle, you'll realize you don't miss the stuff you gave up. Minimalism isn't just trendy, it's a financial weapon. Consider getting creative. Swap clothes with friends, learn DIY repairs, or buy secondhand instead of new. It's not just frugal, it's smart. Set up an automatic transfer of $100 to $300 every payday into a separate savings account. Out of sight, out of mind. Use online banks like Ally, ING, or even create a savings vault with your current bank. Name the account $10K goal to stay motivated. Pro tip: set transfers for the day after payday, so it's gone before you can spend it. You can even use tools like Capital or Digit that automate savings based on rules. You'll be amazed how fast it grows when saving becomes automatic. You don't think about it. It just happens. Even rounding up purchases and sending the change to savings adds up over time. Saving is only half the equation. Earning more speeds up everything. Here are 5 fast ways. Freelance your skills on Fiverr or Upwork. Writing, editing, design, anything. Sell unused stuff online, old phones, clothes, gadgets. Start a micro side hustle, dog walking, tutoring, food delivery 2 nights a week. Offer a service in your neighborhood. Lawn mowing, cleaning, babysitting. Use tools like ChatGPT to help others write resumes, content, or emails. Even an extra $200 per week equal $10,400 a year. Boom! You can also look into gig economy platforms like TaskRabbit Rover, or even Facebook Marketplace to offer local services. The extra income gives you breathing room and faster results. Also, ask for a raise or look for a better paying role. You might be underpaid and not even know it. Impulse spending kills savings. Use the 30-day rule. When you want to buy something non-essential, wait 30 days. Still want it? Buy it. But 9 out of 10 times, you won't. You just saved $50, $100, or more, effortlessly. Keep a wish list note on your phone. Add to it instead of buying instantly. You'll be surprised how many items lose their appeal with time. Impulse control is a muscle. The more you flex it, the stronger it gets, and the less clutter you'll bring into your life. Avoid emotional spending traps. Ask yourself, am I bored? Am I trying to impress someone? Am I stress shopping? If yes, pause. Replace the habit, go for a walk, call a friend, or read a book instead. Saving money starts with knowing why you spend. Also, set spending triggers. For example, if you've already spent $100 on takeout this week, freeze food delivery apps till next Monday. Also, surround yourself with financially motivated people. Unfollow accounts that make you feel like you need to buy things to be happy. Follow people who inspire smart money moves. Let's bring it all together with a simple plan. Week 1, cut 3 unnecessary expenses. Save $50. Week 2, sell 3 things you don't use. Save $100. Week 3, take a no-spend weekend. Save $75. Week 4, find one side hustle or gig. Earn and save $200. In 4 weeks, that's $425 saved, just like that. Do this every month for a year, and you've got $5,000 to $6,000 in savings before you even count the automated transfers or big cuts. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to save huge chunks overnight. You need to save steadily over time. Swap expensive nights out for game nights or potlucks. Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey. Buy groceries in bulk and freeze portions. Use the library instead of buying books or audiobooks. Share streaming services with family. Walk or bike short distances instead of driving. Cancel gym memberships and follow free YouTube workouts. Use energy-saving appliances to cut utility bills. Meal prep with a friend to save time and money. These lifestyle tweaks add up without making you feel like you're missing out. It's about smarter choices, not deprivation. Saving $10,000 in a year doesn't take luck. It takes a plan, consistency, and the decision to say, I'm done being broke. The real question is, will this be the year you take control of your money? Drop $10K journey in the comments if you're ready. And if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a financial boost. Your future self is already proud of you.